Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the mid of August, all right, and we'll see what kind of energies you are attracting towards you in the middle of the month. All right, so let's proceed with your reading now. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's begin for my Taurus mid of August. Taurus middle of August. Let's see what is there for my Taurus. Last shuffle, please. All right. All right, so your energy which is coming up at present is Five of Wands. You know, you might be involved in like daily conflicts coming up from nowhere. Like you just, you know, it's just like you are talking to someone and all of a sudden somebody starts shouting at you, and you are like, oh, what is happening? I was not going to fight for this situation, but there was some kind of a issue coming up again and again. Arguments, fights, conflicts coming up in your life with your either your work environment, your family environment, you know, with your person. But this is some kind of conflict, and you are just surrounded by it. The reason of this energy, this card, is Ten of Cups. So this might be your family issues over here, because that is why you are getting involved in these kind of conflicts and you are not liking it. Family can be a reason. For some of you, you know, your married life is like it's like daily conflicts are coming up, and you are just, you know, you are not just ready to be involved in arguments and fights. This is not, life goes on. That is what you are thinking. So you're on your mind, it's the strength. See, what I told you, that you are a person where, you know, you want peace, you want if you know, for some of you it's also like you want to be alone for some time. You just want to get rid of everything. You want to work on yourself. Might be dealing with might be dealing with a Leo over here. So this is something you know, where you are more into you are working on your mind and your heart, and you are listening to your mind and heart. But you know, something like you are not talking to them. It's like all of a sudden somebody just tells you and they starts to fight with you, and you were quiet all time. So this is a situation which is created just like from nowhere. Okay, so your past energies are Three of Cups. So this is something where, you know, you were involved, like you might have just been married to someone, or there was some kind of reunion with your family. Like after so many years or so many months, you might have met your family, friends, or your person, because I'm seeing a kind of reunion in your past, and but some kind of isolation in your future because of the present conflicts. So I'm seeing that whatever, you know, you were very happy with this person or this situation before, like you were very happy, either if it's your work life, so you just got this job, and you started to love it. You know, you were even having drinks, even having coffee, even having some good time with these people with whom you are right now in conflicts. And in your future energy, I'm seeing you are getting a little alone. So you are taking your time, because these conflicts, they just disturbed you. The reason of the reading is Six of Wands over here. This might be because you might have got some kind of promotion, and you know, when you are here, and all of a sudden you come up here. So people, there are some kind of jealousy factor I'm seeing over here. Like people are getting jealous from you. People are like they are not able to digest what is going on with this person. All of a sudden this person has become so much, you know, everyone is has started knowing this person. So this is something people are not liking in you. with the King of Pentacles. So this is you, and this is what you want. So you want money, you want fame, obviously, but this card always appears in your reading, Taurus. You are so much into your money, you are so much, you know, whatever you think, it's that feeling where if you are giving your 100% toward the situation, you don't move back. It's always the other person who moves back. The people around you, King of Wands. So you are King of Pentacles, so not stubborn, so much stable, so much yeah, stubborn as well for some of you. Okay, so this is King of Wands. With the people around you, they are very much fiery in nature, might be dealing with Sagittarius over here, or Aries, and or Leo as well. So this is a situation where people around you are, the way you are stable, the way you are so mature, they are not. They are still in their zone where they are dominating. They are telling you what to do, and that is what you are not liking. I'm seeing why. That is why the reason of conflicts is coming up here. Alright, so the universe is telling you, the message from universe is 9 of Swords. So that is what the universe is telling, that if you are, you know, stop thinking about these things. Seriously, these issues, these are really petty issues. Just move away, and you have a long way to go in your life. So just move away from these issues. And at the final outcome, I'm seeing the 4 of Cups. So I'm seeing that you are the one who is, you know, rejecting some kind of situation. You know, you will be the one who will say that enough is enough. I really need some kind of some space. Please give me some space. So this is what you are telling to other people. All right, so let's see, let's clarify now. I think all the reading I have already done, but let's clarify more. So why is this 5 of Wands over here? Why is 5 of Wands in your overall energy? 5 of Pentacles and 3 of Cups. So this is a energy where, you know, 3 of Cups was in your past as well as in your present. So the issue might be that, you know, you just leave your family at home, your person at home, and you go out with other people, with your, might be college mates, might be your office mates. You go out with them and have, you know, have a good time with them, and that is why the other person, he or she feels really left out at home, and that is why the reason of conflict start arising, because the family is an issue over here. It has come in the cross sign over here. So this is the reason of your current situation. Why is the 10 of Cups over here? Why is the 10 of Cups over here? Nine of Wands with the Death card over here in the 10 of Cups clarification. So I'm seeing over here that, you know, the reason might be this as well, that, you know, I don't know why it's coming your energy, but this might be the other person as well. Like, you are feeling like you are very much you are behaving like you are going out, you are being with your friends, you are happy, you are showing that you are happy, but and you are also treating the other person that you know, like blocking them, like it's the end, everything has been finished. That is what the person or you might be showing to each other, like we are not in talking terms and we should end this situation, but then you are showing that I am so happy. Okay, so that might be conflict as well. Like when you come home after all your party and all, that is an issue over here, because the other person has started feeling left out, and this person, you know, sometimes it feels like to the other person that I am no one to this person. So that is a situation which is coming up over here. So what's on your mind? Strength card. What's over here? Page of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, and Judgment. So you are going to take some kind of decision over here, because you are, I'm seeing that you are working on yourself. You know, you are giving, like, okay, fine, that if this person is, because this might be your energy where you know, you are involving these kind of conflicts because the other person is not responding you. The other person has because this other person, because you are very grounded over here, you are not behaving in a bad zone, because the other person over here, that is the one who is just moving here and there. I'm seeing this is not your energy. So the people around you, they have just, you know, ended, they have showed that everything has been ended and we are not in talking terms. They might have blocked you even, so you are just waiting for, and you are seeing them in on say social media that they are enjoying. So that is your decision. This decision call is coming up over here, the judgment call. That is what your mind is telling you to do, that if you really want to, you know, let this person, because sometimes it's really hard to let go of these kind of people, but you really need to work on yourself. That is what your mind is telling you, that enough of this, and I have to do, and I have to work on myself, and I'm not here to offer everyone the love I have. I am more into myself now. So let's see your past energies over here. Why is this Three of Cups over here? King of Cups, what else do we have? Ten of Wands. See, this kind of freedom where these people were involved, your person was involved, or the situation, you know, in your work life as well, they are going on, they are just sorry, they are enjoying with their friends. That is what was actually pressurizing you. You know, you were not feeling, you were feeling that kind of heaviness was coming up, like I am feeling left out, and you are just moving here and there. You are just putting your DPs with your friends, you are everywhere. And where's the love now? Where is the love? That is what you're asking. What is the situation? Okay, so for Six of Rods, why is the Six of Rods in the overall, the reason of the reading? Why is the Six of the Hermit? All right, and Three of Pentacles. So this is for those people whose work life, you know, you are giving a lot of time on your work and you have started living alone. That is the reason. Like now what is happening, that the conflicts are going on one side, and what else is also happening over here, that you are really working, you are giving your 100% on your work, you are feeling busy, you are making yourself busy. There's no time for any other bullshit now. So that is what, and you're moving towards success, because this is the reason. But with the Hermit as well, it's like I really don't want to focus on love, I really want to focus on money right now. So that is what you are doing, and that is what people are not liking, because you are so much focused. This focused energy is the energy which people are not liking. Why is this Justice over here? Sorry, Hermit, Justice, Six of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. See, so your future energies are also telling me that you are going towards success, because you are not in that zone where these kind of situations, because right now you are actually, you know, you are disturbed. I hear you that you are disturbed, but your mind, you somehow just manipulate your mind, like keeping busy, and that is why your mind just focus on your work. So you are moving towards success in your future as well. It might take some time with the Seven of Pentacles. It is like, it is a slow progress, but it will come up, because that balance, that decision which you have taken in your life right now is like the perfect decision of your life. Let's see, why is this King of Pentacles over here? Why is the King of Pentacles over here? Knight of Cups. Okay, so this is your energy where, let's clarify Knight of Cups again. All the suit cards are coming up. Ten of Cups and Eight of Cups. Okay, so you are in that zone where now you are actually leaving this family zone, this love zone. You are leaving this, and you are moving towards more of King of Pentacles mode, where you are working, you are giving your cup to your work, you know, giving your love, all your energies are investing in your work, and you're moving away. Might be moving away from this person, and you know, locating to somewhere else. Like if you were living in, you are focusing on, you are moving out from the home, and you are going to live to some other place. Let's see the universe. What is the universe dealing with the Nine of Swords over here? Why the Nine of Swords here? King of Rods. See again. So this is what the universe is telling you, that you are crying for this person daily at night, because this person has appeared again as a King of Rods over here. So you are, if you are really involved with this person, like crying and doing all that stuff, so stop doing that. That is what the universe is telling you. Why is the Four of Cups over here? Why is the Four of Cups over here? Nine of Pentacles. See, so you are just rejecting the offer of love coming towards you, and you are focusing on yourself now. You are interested in your pentacles. No more love. I am rejecting the love because I have many options. You know, being a Taurus, you are telling the other person who is offering you this cup, see, I have 3 other options as well, so why are you offering me this cup? I'm not going to accept it. So love is going to be rejected. All you're going to accept is this, your energy, this you know, you are becoming the beautiful you, coming up like that. And that is something really stubborn. You are determined in this thing. Alright, so that's all, Taurus, from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.